Make a great choice today with the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, Sirius XM radio, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.